Hello, hello. It's Michelle from Monkey's Creations. Come on in. So TikTok, we are now live on Facebook as well. So let me bring up Facebook. So everybody say hi when you come in. Let me turn this volume off. There we go. Hello, hello. So we are going to make a skull wreath using this amazing 10-inch skull Santa. We are using the large Unique in the Creek board. I have already loaded row 2 and row 3 for everybody to see. With zip ties, we are using the horizontal wide stripe black and the black and white. Good morning, everybody. So, this is, the finished wreath is available on my website, monkeyscreations.com. So y'all can check me out there. Facebook, I'm going to bring you down. Your TikTok looks like you have a good view. So, good morning, everybody. So we are gonna put on the black on row 2. These are cut 10.5 by 10.5 because I used a 21-inch roll of mesh. So all we're gonna do is scrunch right down the middle, just like that. We're gonna bring left over right, and I'm gonna bring them kind of together. Make sure our tips are pretty much the same, if everybody can see. Hello, hello, y'all. And we're just going to band it together, just like that. So we are going to put the black on row 2. Go all the way around. Good morning. I do have a few more petals that we'll make as we go, if anybody missed it. Hello. Everybody's joining me on TikTok as well. I'm so excited. My first time on TikTok, y'all. Y'all love my Tumblr? Like, I went to bed with this last night, and I put it on my side table, and I forgot it glowed in the dark. So when I looked over and I saw that face glowing in the dark, I immediately took it to the kitchen. Scared the bejeebies out of me, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie. I am feeling better. Thank you. Hello. I know, I'm on TikTok. So TikTok, we can only use our phones. So that's why you have a smaller view than my Facebook. Hey. So if you haven't followed me on TikTok, y'all, go follow me. Who did that Tumblr? No, I did that Tumblr at Pinners. It was Pinners, was it last year? Lori and I and Suzanne and Dave went to Pinners, and Annette showed up, and we made those at Pinners. It was fun. It is trademarked, so nobody, I don't know how they did it. They must have the license to sell them, the images. So I can't stand clown faces either. Like, I really dislike clown faces or clowns altogether. But he's kind of cool. Monk loves him. He keeps trying to take him from me. I'm like, you can't have him. I know, right, Pam? Hello, hello. If y'all float my boat, I'd appreciate it. So she gets, I know. It's kind of cool. And of course I had to get the one that glowed in the dark. Oh, look how cool that's going to be, y'all. Can y'all see that? They are creepy. Thanks for floating my boat. I appreciate it. So this one is available on my website, monkeyscreations.com. I do have 3 of these available. So if you want one, go grab them. Taylor is going to be uploading more earrings today, and they are so cool. This is horizontal white stripe. Let me make one more so I can show y'all how I made it. Okay, so this was a 21-inch piece that I cut down to 10.5 inches. And then we're just gonna scrunch to the corner. We're going to flip left over right. I go up underneath, flip those out. Kind of make sure our tips are straight across as much as we can anyway. I'm going to band them with these elastic ties that you can get from Dollar Tree, or Unique in the Creek has them as well. And so that's the petal we are using. So last one going in. I'm going to lift this up to keep our pattern. Stick that right under. Bring that petal back on top. And then we're going to use a zip tie gun. It tightens and cuts your zip ties all at once. Hey TikTok, have you ever seen the Unique in the Creek boards? They're fun. I do apologize. I cannot read the comments on TikTok. It's so small and you can only use your phone. But you can get these boards from Unique in the Creek. They are amazing. They're 100% recycled plastic. So now we're going to go to the black and white. Folded the same way. Now because this center is 10 inches, we're not going to need to do row 4 or row 5, y'all. If you were using one of my smaller centers, then you will need to go in more depending on which size. I do have 6. Well, I don't have 6 listed. I have 8 and 10 inch listed. I know, but I can't. It's so small I can't see it on TikTok. I wonder if we can. Some at Hobby Lobby, did you? I wonder if we can use our iPad on TikTok. Don't know. Oh, okay. Taylor said we can use the iPad. Yeah, okay. So maybe next time, tomorrow, maybe I'll try it on my iPad. And then maybe I'll be able to read the comments. But it looks like Dana's on TikTok, so she can say hi to everybody. You can. Okay, awesome. So tomorrow, I think we're going to make a clown, y'all. We can do a clown. What do y'all think? We can do a clown, or we can do a scary pumpkin like we did the scarecrow, except put a scary pumpkin head mask instead of the cute scarecrow. Which one should I do? All right, we've got one more. Grab our last piece. So these are 10 by 10. We'll scrunch corner to corner. No pumpkin? Are you scared of pumpkins, Sandra? Okay, so scrunch it, and we're going to flip it. We're going to bring left over right. You hate clowns? I know, but they sell. Okay, grab that end. We're going to band it. Either way, tomorrow's going to be scary day. Isn't that cool? All right, last piece going in. I'll lift that up. Keep my pattern. Tuck that right under. Zip tie gun tightens and cuts the zip ties all at once. Y'all think I should do the pumpkin? Well, either way, whether we do the pumpkin or the clown tomorrow, the next day I'm going to do the one we didn't do. Judy, no you didn't. All right, so that's what we have so far. Now, the centers that I sell on my website have the cable mount attached already. So all you have to do is grab your pipe cleaner, put it right through, give it a couple twists. And then these boards have 2 holes in the middle. And we're going to put the pipe cleaners right through those 2 holes. Look how cool that is. Just like that. Turn it over, pull it tight. Give it a good couple twists. Twist it all the way up. I did come up with a plan for my mailbox. Yes, now I just have to do it. I ordered some stakes. I ordered some fishing line. Ooh, I don't want to use those. Those are my fabric scissors. And then we'll just cut that down and stick it right back into the hole. That way there's nothing to scratch your customer's door. And then we're going to come right up here to the top. Take a zip tie, run it right through those 2 holes. Just like that. Clip that off, and then that's what we hang it from. And there you go. Look how cool that is. Tell the 10 men I said hi. I will. I will. So there you go, y'all. There you go, TikTok. Facebook, isn't that cool? So there you go. A quick 15-minute live, y'all. Was it 20? I think I started at 10. So there you go. So this one is available on my website, monkeyscreations.com. And I have 3 of these available, y'all. Quick, easy live. So I will see y'all again tomorrow. I may go live later on today. Probably not on TikTok though. because I'll have to go live from my kitchen so that we can finish up the fireplace. And then I have an amazing idea to do a chandelier out front using the ring board from Unique in the Creek. So I will probably do that with both of y'all. But tomorrow we'll either do the pumpkin or the clown. So I'll see y'all both tomorrow. Bye, y'all.